Hey y'all, it's time again to open another Not Just for Boys Kit Club kit. These are for September 2023 and there's all kinds of fun goodies in here, so let's get into it. As always, the package is so cute with their paper and their twine, and you can reuse those things. Start with this one. Is called the Rad Limitless Kit. It's the Limitless Kit for September 2023. And it's really bright and colorful and super fun. So we'll do the embellishments last. We're gonna go with the papers first. These are from Paper Rose, which is a new company we just tried out like a week or a month or two ago. And I'm really loving their papers, but this one is awesome. I love this design. My dogs are busting up in here. This one's called Hey Mate. Oh, I love that. Super retro vibes. And this one is from Simple Stories, and it's called Say Cheese Tomorrow at the Park. So this is from like one of their Disney lines. And then it's got planets on the other side. Another Paper Rose, retro vibes. Loving these retro pieces. Ooh, I love that with the stars. Love that. Cool. Another Paper Rose, another retro vibes collection. That looks very like reminds me of the Beatles. I don't know why. Really cool black stars. I love this so much. And this one is Hey Mate again, and it says vintage, don't complain, just do it, awesome, hey brah, life would be boring without me, legend, stay cool, very cool, sorry I can't, I have plans with my cat. That's funny. Oh, I love that stripe. That is such a cool stripe. I love that so much. Another Paper Rose, but a different collection. This one called Textures. That's fun. I love that. That's neat. Very cool. I'm really digging this kit, man. I saw it and picked it, but I honestly didn't think it was gonna be this cool. Like, this is way cooler than I expected it to be. I love it so much. I don't know why I'm surprised. Merity and Paula kick it out of the park every single month. All right, another from Retro Days, Paper Rose. Oh, these stars are killing me. Every single star paper is better than the last. And the last one is Textures by Paper Rose again. Oh, those are super cool. This is, this might be my favorite kit that I've gotten from them so far. Oh my gosh. And so these all come, here, I'll like spread out the papers a little bit, which there's other sides too. It's hard to show you all of them. So these come with a Vintage Artistry Sunburst film strips. So we all know and love the 49 Market film strips. This is a huge pack of them, but I really love this color scheme. And man, oh man, it matches so perfectly. You have that cool orange, you have a really cool reddish orange pinky, and you have the turquoise blue. Oh, and they're fabulous. And they have just like all the different kinds. So fun. I love those so much. And you get a ton of those. And then you also get this awesome pack of thickers. And it is Evergreen and Holly, which of course is a Christmas collection. But how fabulous is it to go with this kit? It's like a little gilded with a black outline. So again, you don't gotta, I haven't said that at all. But you don't have to just use like your Christmas supplies just for a Christmas kit, you know, like, and this is cool. So we haven't gotten any embellishments yet from Paper Rose, so I'm excited to try these. These are the Hey Mate die cuts. So it looks like the Hey Mate, because they're an Australian company, so that's cute. It looks like it's like their kind of like boy line, maybe you could say. So let's just look through that a little bit. So a little saying. So it looks like they are die cuts that you punch out of the pages. So I like this a lot. And then they have some icons, like a little old school Nintendo and some palm trees. A lot of happy birthdays, so you can make some cards. I really like that. Ooh, these are fun. These really cool shapes. And if you can hear my dog crying, sorry. She just cries a lot. I don't know. Anytime she's unhappy, she's not afraid to let you know. And then stars and the word awesome a couple times, which is very cool. I love this kit. And then these were some add-ons that I added on. So this is, so there is an essentials kit for this, and I didn't get the whole essentials kit, but I did add on some pieces of it. And so this is one of them. It's the Vicki Boutin Print Shop stamps. And so they're all in a circle shape or a semicircle. So I think that a lot of times stamps are made for card making, and they don't always translate really great to scrapbooking, although I will stretch it and make it work. But these I feel like are just so fabulous for, they'll work for card making of course, but they're super great for scrapbooking. Like this type of stamp will just work, it's very versatile. So it's definitely something that I wanted in my collection. And I'm sorry, I forgot to add this. This is not an add-on, this is part of the kit. They're little charms that come in the kit, and they're little enamel cameras, but they're so cute and they perfectly match like this kit. They have some blue, I think that's blue, but it could also give a black vibe, and white, and then some blue and red and some green, just like all the colors that are in the kit. I'm really loving these. They're super cool, super cute, super cool. Love those so much. Put them back in. And then the one more thing that I have to go with this kit, but also like I could totally go with the next thing too. The Black Puppy Stars, you know, Not Just for Boys Kit Club is known for, I think they're starting to be known for at least, their puppy stars, their fabric stars, and they're so fabulous. So these are no different, and these are add-ons for the Rad Limitless kit, and so they're like a pleather, you can tell. Oh, I love them so much. So you get a whole little pack of those, and I think that they will just be so great with this kit. I can't wait to work with it. In a minute, we will just look through my other kit that I got real quick. This one is the mini kit for, it comes out in September, but it's for October because it's Halloween. So I got the mini Halloween kit and the Halloween Essentials kit. So I'm going to show you what is in those, because that's why I didn't pull out the puppy hearts, because I kind of thought that they were part of the Halloween kit, and then I remembered like, oh no, they go with the Rad kit because they're black puppy hearts, and there's lots of, I mean, I don't know why I said hearts. Stars, I mean stars, or puppy stars. And I was thinking like, oh no, they go with the Rad kit. But you know what? They could really go with this kit too. So this is the Jack-o'-lantern mini kit, and it's the Halloween kit for the year. So this is Simple Stories. And so you have a cut apart on this side, but then you have a spider on this side, very vintage. And it's called Simple Vintage October 31st. And then you have a solid-ish white, orange. Oh my gosh, I can't talk tonight. And then gray on the other side. And then this is the Hocus Pocus collection by Carta Bella, and you have some spider webs. And then cute little jack-o'-lanterns, very tiny. And then you're killing it with the stars again. I love this. This is Simple Vintage, Simple Stories. And then some black pumpkins. Those are cool. And then you get this adorable, so this is a page kit. So Meredy will make pages. So you get your white cardstock that you will build the page if you want to follow her design. And then you also get this. But you don't have to follow her design. You can also do your own design, or you can use inspo from any of the design team. So that's why we get the kits too, and we'll create other options for you to use. So that's all that is in the Jack-o'-lantern mini kit, I do believe. So you need to, like, it's not a want, it's a need. Pair it with the Halloween Essentials kit, and that's this one, because it's just so good. It's just so good. I can't tell you how good it is without, I'll just show you, okay? So, I haven't seen these before, and I'm a sucker for the Mente Chippies. So this is the Mente Papers, Mente Chippies. Sorry about that earthquake, but these are the Halloween ones. And so I love these. Like, I can't wait to like glitter that puppy up with some heat embossing powder. And you got lots of pumpkins, bat spiders. Loving this. Super love this. Can't wait to use it. You also get a 6x6 stencil, which is spiders. And I can see myself using this quite a bit. And then you get a Distress Oxide spray in Black Soot, which I'm excited about using that. And you also get these cute little charms. Again, this is the Halloween Essentials kit, and it goes very well with the Jack-o'-lantern mini kit. So you have a charm of bats and moon, and then a hat that says Wizard in Training. Well, I know what I'm gonna wait and save that for. And another hat that says Good Witch. I don't know about that. Maybe some of my friends are, because I don't know if I am. And a really cute spider web. These are so stinking cute, man. And this, look at this little Bones, Mr. Bones like skeleton. They're so dainty and cute. If you did a October daily, you have to have this. It's so cute. And a ghost and a pumpkin. Oh, they're so cute. A jack-o'-lantern. And then lastly, I added on, these are called the Black Cat sequins. And their sequin kit sets are always so fabulous. So we'll just pour a little bit out here. Oh no, I just like poured them everywhere, of course. They have like tiny orange glitter stars, and then they have black sequins and some white sequins and some wood grain sequins and a few like bronzy gold sequins. And then you also have, let's see, we have a bat, and I think I see a spider. And we have a jack-o'-lantern. I just love it when they add like cute little bits like that. So I'm going to quickly get all of these back in the container. And I hope you guys liked all of this stuff. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna put the links down below if you would like to buy. The first one was the Rad Limitless kit for September 2023. And then the next one was the Jack-o'-lantern mini kit. And then that goes with the Halloween Essentials kit. And I had a few add-ons here and there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe. Bye y'all.